If you use Vectorworks to work only in 2D, you may find yourself manually creating perspective views. The Shear tool can be useful for this type of workflow. To use the Shear tool, select it from the basic tool palette. On tool palettes, an arrow on the right side of a tool icon or label indicates additional related pop-out tools. Click and hold down the mouse button to open the menu of pop-out tools. When using the Shear tool, make sure you have a 2D object selected. This tool will work with a rectangle, rounded rectangle, polygon, circle, oval, or polyline. The Shear tool works by skewing or reshaping all object points except for the points specified by you. To use the tool, click on a fixed point in the drawing. This point can be an object point or any other point on the drawing. The selected point will be locked so that it is not modified. Once a point is selected, click and drag the cursor to shear the object. You will see a preview object that displays the result of the shear. Click again to set the shear position. This tool gives you a quick way to completely change an existing shape. Using the Shear tool, you can work in 2D but still create perspective or 3D views.